Sunday reflections. So today's card is surrender. Let it go. Let it go. Are you ready? Letting go doesn't mean that you're like giving up. You're not giving up. You're just loosening up the grip that everything needs to be perfect. Guess what? Nothing is perfect. So let go of perfectionism. It's not doing your body any good. You're stuck in the mind, and when something doesn't work out perfectly the way that you want it to, then you're all stressed out and it's not worth it. Nothing is perfect in this life. So just, if you know that you're doing the best that you can, then count your wins. Count your wins every single night. If you know that you're anal and you have too much perfectionism in your life and it's causing plenty of anxiety, first off, the first step is awareness. You're aware that you're doing it. So good for you. Second is, at the end of the night, if you have a rock or a crystal or anything that you can put next to your toothbrush and you pick it up, just as a reminder of what went well today, just so you can see the positive of the day. It works. And allow your dogs, allow your animals to bring you into the present moment, and take 3 minutes, 5 minutes to give each one of your animals your undivided attention, because they absolutely love it, and you will appreciate it and appreciate them because they're getting your attention onto them instead of being stuck in the mind or distracted by the technology. So check out thedogmystic.com, buy my book, Happy Dogs Equal Happy Homes.